Hello all, I am going to talk about criticism. Usually we have fear of mistakes. For those mistakes, we can be corrected, we will be criticized. First of all, we should understand this. Mistakes are common. We all make mistakes. Usually it happens. Dear friends, Lord Krishna, when he was in the battlefield of Kurukshetra, was criticized. Jesus Christ criticized. Everyone get criticized in this world. So much criticism is there. Living without criticism, impossible. Dear folks, if you want to grow in your life, be ready for criticism. If you want to grow in your life, be ready for criticism. Criticism is a part of growing. Criticism is a part of learning. Criticism is a part of improving your skills. Be ready for criticism. And Aristotle said that if you don't want criticism, then don't do anything, don't say anything, don't be anything. Is it possible? It's impossible. Is it life? It's not a life. Dear friends, no one can be perfect in this world. Don't bother about criticism. Do what you want to do. Learn what you want to learn. Say what you want to say. But remember this thing. And we should understand one thing. So that is, when the criticism has an element of truth, that is constructive criticism, that is positive criticism, that is worthy criticism. If that criticism is worthy, accept that criticism and consider that criticism and rectify yourself and correct yourself. When the criticism doesn't have an element of truth, don't think about that. And that is a pointless criticism, baseless and useless criticism. We no need to think about that. Just ignore that criticism, because ignorance is bliss. Thank you so much, and see you on next video.